What's your name?
Dickhead.
What's your ugly name?
Nothing.
What's your CD?
Rachel.
You do something.
I'm a gay.
Did you ever professionally?
Yeah, of course I in all my life. All my life.
How good from 1 to
10 ratios.
Test. Prince.
Go on then.
Can I have dick?
No.
Yeah.
No. It'll find you.
Where a heaven. I'm a small. My sugar walls. I was gay, wasn't it? Let's face.
No. No. You've got a really bad. Everything I would want. Lazy, deluded.
talent?
Everything. You are in the end.
And that is the truth of the matter.
Why'd you come?
Why did I come?
What today?
Yeah,
Right, do you want to leave now? Leave now. Sugar.
Nobody does CDs anymore. It's called a cassette.
Are you? Kiss my away.
Very bad.
Touch me.